Hey, I finally did it. I pulled the trigger. I ordered some lumber online. Oh my God, check this out. I've always picked out my own hardwood lumber. But I have seen so many videos online of folks out there buying boards online. So I finally said, let me try this because, you know, my time is worth something. And for me, the reason I pick out my own lumber, it's about trust. It's about looking at the grain on the boards. So I discovered this place online. It's called the Wood Vault. And I did a little bit of research, and I'll tell you what I found. So for me, when I buy lumber, boards, hardwood, I've always gone to the lumber yard myself because I want to pick out the grain. I want to make sure there's not a lot of sapwood. I want to make sure that it's not gnarly, you know. I want to make sure it's the right moisture content. I started doing a little research online because I've seen everybody with these videos, and I found this place called the Wood Vault. And I started searching. I was like, oh my God, they got some great selection. I might give this a try. It's out of Ottawa, Canada. Then I saw up on the logo, it said a KJP company. I went, hey, wait a minute. I know those guys. They're my friends. I never knew. And I reached out and they said, yeah, we're rebranding the company. We're calling it the Wood Vault. You'll hear me say this 100 times in the video. I love this slogan, unlock your craft. I like the colors, okay? But I trust Matt. He's a 4th generation lumberman. He's the owner. And my really good friend works there. His name's Jeff. So I said, I'm gonna give it a try. KJP Select Hardwoods is celebrating their 20th anniversary, and they're doing a full rebranding. The Wood Vault. Unlock your craft. So at 2 o'clock in the morning, guess what I did? I jumped on the computer. I couldn't sleep. I wanted to buy some lumber, have a couple upcoming projects with some walnut, and of course, everybody knows I love cherry. And I think I over-ordered, but I don't care. I wanted to see what the final result was. Roasted maple. Interesting. Oh, there it is. Walnut lumber, 4/4. All right. I want 48 inches long. Not bad. Okay, and it comes in 5-inch widths. Not bad. $36 a board. That's wicked cool. And let's see, I'm gonna get like 4 sticks. Awesome. This really is too easy. And oh, here's some selection. S4S, surfaced and ready to use. Nice. You could save with lumber packs. There's longer lengths. What a nice website. Let's look at a few of the pics. Wow, nice. So like I said, I've been to the store in Ottawa, and I know those guys, and they are a bunch of woodworkers running a killer store. I didn't know that they ship to the US. What a great find. I also find a huge time savings online. I can get it S4S, and they can prep it all for me and dress it for me. So I took that option. When you put it all together and you calculate your time, this is a huge time savings. But the proof is in the unboxing to see what kind of boards they sent me. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's open this box. And I want to see what is inside. I ordered some walnut, 8/4. I ordered some 4/4 walnut. I ordered some 8/4 cherry, 4/4 cherry, and a couple of sticks of curly maple. Let's look inside. Wow, look at the packaging. Very well done. Get in here and let's look at this. I'm gonna spread these out so we can look at them. Boy, are these gorgeous. Wow, this grain is beautiful. There's very little variation in coloration. Boy, there must be some really good guys out in the shop picking this out for me. I ordered 48-inch lengths. So let's look at it. This is the 8/4. I'll open it up. And there it is. 1 15/16 milled down. Absolutely perfect. When I order 8/4, I am going to mill it down myself. This is already milled for me. It saves me, once again, a boatload of time. And I don't know if you know, but S4S is surface 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it's dead on. So one of the things I always do as wood acclimates in my shop, I'm going to be building some furniture with this, and I wanted to see what the moisture content was in it. So I have a pin here, and I'm just going to check right here. And that reads 6. Wow, I always do a couple places here just to read it. Wow, 6 through, and then I take a couple of the pins and put it in the end grain. And it's all 6. So in Indiana, moisture content on especially the species that I have, you always want it between 7 and 9%. So this will acclimate a little bit more and it'll be perfect. But boy, this is wicked dry lumber. It's perfect. One of the real tests is cherry for me. It's my favorite species of wood to build with. So let's check this one out. So this is really nice cherry, beautiful grain, and what's nice about it is there's just a little bit of early wood, and as I flip them, boy, does this come out nice. So I love cherry, I'll say it 100 times, and when I opened the box, I was blown away. There's not a lot of light grain in it, so some people say it's discoloration. I don't. I actually like to work into my furniture pieces, but boy, these pieces are fantastic. The grain is beautiful, and it's just that beautiful cherry. And if this light wood in the cherry, it's natural, bothers you, you can cut it right out anyhow. So let's check this cherry. Oh my God, it falls right in that range. This is 7.6. This board here, 6.4, and man, this is kiln dried perfectly. So I'm not going to open up every single box. I think I might bore you, but there's one I've been waiting for, and it's the curly maple. So in this package came the walnut, and which came in beautiful, the 4/4. But look at the grain on this curly maple. It's exceptional. Wow. I'm going to use a little mineral spirits, so hopefully we can pop it for you to see this beautiful curly figure. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And I got a great t-shirt. So remember this, it's woodworkers picking lumber for woodworkers. Of course they're going to make it right for you. What a great experience this was. I will be ordering from now on. And the reason is this. All the boards were exceptional. I thought about all the milling that I would have done. It saved me a boatload of time. Once again, it's all about trust. And I want to thank Matt. What a great experience. You guys got to check out the Wood Vault. You will be exceptionally happy. So you're going to see in upcoming videos this fall, I'm going to be incorporating a lot of this lumber in there. And I want to tell you, as we always say from the sedgetool shop, be positive, stay sharp, and we mean whoop, 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 wicked sharp.